Can you say happy birthday, Uncle Donnie?
Uncle Donnie.
That's right. Say happy birthday, Ashton. Here, we have to turn the TV on. Okay. Say happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Uncle Donnie.
Uncle Donnie.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Aw. Blow him a kiss. Say bye.
Bye.
Say hi, Bree.
Bye, bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say have a good day.
Bye, bye.
Say happy birthday. Oh, here comes Ava. What's that?
Bree. See.
You want to see her?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see Bree. All right. Say have a good day.
Okay.